Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Toyota Camry. First, gather your tools, which might include a slim jim, a wedge, or a long-reach tool. It's important to work carefully to avoid damaging your vehicle's paint or window seals. Always ensure your car's windows are completely closed before you begin. We will explore several effective methods to regain access to your vehicle safely and efficiently, helping you get back on the road in no time. One common method involves using a wedge and a long-reach tool. Gently insert the wedge into the upper corner of the driver's side door, creating a small opening. This gap should be just enough, about 1/2 inch, to slide in your long-reach tool. Once inside, carefully maneuver the tool to press the electronic unlock button on the door panel or to hook and pull the interior door handle. For older models, a slim jim can be effective, but requires precision. You'll need to slide it between the window and the weather stripping to access the internal locking rods. It's crucial to know your specific Camry's locking mechanism layout to avoid damage. Also, if your key fob isn't working, try replacing its battery. A dead battery is a common reason for remote unlocking failure. To prevent future lockouts, always keep a spare key handy. You could carry one in your wallet or entrust one to a close friend or family member. Another smart option is to use a hidden magnetic key holder, securely attached to a discrete part of your car's exterior. Before you close the door, take a quick moment to confirm your keys are in your hand, not inside the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.